All right, guys. Tuesday's workout. Nasty, I like it. That was named from Justin's comment when I first posted it in our little spreadsheet that we have. So that's what it's called from now on into foreverness. So we have a 20-minute hard cap. Now, the whole point of, and you'll see hard caps in a lot of these workouts for this week, the whole point of having a hard cap is we really don't want you working over that, okay? If you're like 1 to 2 minutes, like you're on this last little part and you want to like knock it out, all right, understandable. But really what we don't want is to be in this first workout still and still trying to get through it, okay? That's not the intention. The intention is not to get through it, it's to how much you can do in that 20 minutes. I'm not expecting everyone to be able to finish this workout. And there's a couple of other workouts in this week that I don't really expect all of us to finish. The point is to work through as fast as we can. The same thing, like this is a tester week. This is like a pre-test to see where we're gonna be at and what we're gonna do in the future. So the workout, 10 rounds, 30 double unders, 3 pull-ups, 2 chest-to-bar pull-ups, 1 bar muscle-up. Now if you guys want, these first 3 pull-ups can be chest-to-bar pull-ups if you want, okay? So then it would just be 5 chest-to-bar pull-ups altogether. I know sometimes it's kind of hard to get the rhythm. If you're butterflying, it's not too bad, but if you're doing kipping and stuff, it's a little weird just getting the rhythm for the chest-to-bar because you have to bring it up. Also, energy is a big thing. So if you know that like this is not your thing, like pull-ups are like the death of you, just take it easy on this one, okay? Scale it down a little bit. So what we're going to be doing in those 10 rounds, right? Trying to go unbroken through everything. That's the goal, is to rest in between those rounds. So it's 10 rounds, not a crazy amount of bar muscle ups, not even really a crazy amount of chest to bar pull ups. The double unders, it's getting up there, and the whole workout itself is really like kind of pushing the reps after all is said and done if you get through the entire thing. But really what it's trying to focus on is that gymnastic skill, right? So we're doing those jump ropes, our shoulders are getting tired and everything. We're having to jump up onto the bar, our shoulders are getting tired and everything. So it really starts to creep back in. If you need to scale these pull-ups and the chest to bars and the bar muscle up, just do jumping. It's the best, it's the most repeatable thing you can do is jumping pull-ups, or jumping bar muscle ups, or jumping chest to bar pull-ups. But really what we want to make sure of is that when you're doing a chest to bar, you're doing an actual chest to bar. You're not just scaling everything down to pull-ups. It's not what we really want. We really want to work on, if you're doing the jumping bar muscle ups, getting that turnover in place and pressing down. Even if you guys need to scale down to some pull-ups and dips, it's totally understandable, but you want to do something that is perfectly repeatable, okay? Because everybody can go up and say, I'm doing jumping bar muscle ups and the bar is at my nose. Like, you can repeat that, okay? And that's the goal. You want to put that into your notes for when we do this workout, again throughout the cycle, and then again at the figure. Finally, once you get through these 10 rounds, you're going to go immediately into 200 double unders, 21 pull-ups, 15 chest to bar, 9 bar muscle ups. Now this one's a little different, right, strategy-wise. Probably break those double unders up unless you are like a superior jump roper. Break them up, 50s maybe, 100s, okay? You want to take enough time that when you're done, you can kind of shake it out a little bit because your shoulders, again, are going to be toasted, okay? The 21 pull-ups, a lot of us can go perfectly unbroken through that. I probably wouldn't recommend it. Maybe like 11 and 10 or like some 7 sets of 7, something like that. Again, same thing with the chest to bars. It's 15, so it's kind of on that level of like, yeah, I can knock them all out unbroken. But just really see how you feel if you get to this point. And then the 9 bar muscle ups, 2s, 3s, 9s, whatever you got to do to get it done, okay? At this part of the workout, in that 12 chest to bar and 9 bar muscle ups, you're really like pushing the upper end of like sprinting, okay? You want to get this done as quickly as you can. So, really, really tough one. Remember, 20-minute hard cap. Your coaches beforehand are going to go over all of the pull-up things, so all the pull-up variations, the chest to bars, the bar muscle ups, and then probably get some double under practice in there, okay? So you're looking at 500 double unders throughout the day. That's, it sounds like a lot, but it's really not. I mean, if you're looking at like, even like a weekend warrior, that's like 4 minutes of work, maybe. Figure like you can get 100 done in a minute if you're going unbroken, okay? So it's a big number, but it's just the same thing as saying like do 500 sit-ups. Like you can do that, you'll be okay, all right? So yeah, you'll get some practice in with a lot of these pull-ups and variations and stuff like that. So enjoy this one, super fun, 20-minute hard cap.